English Shorthand. Legislative Assembly speech. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable members of the Legislative Assembly, Vanakkam. It is true great honor and privilege to deliver my first address to the 16th Legislative Assembly in this august house. This house has a glorious heritage and all of you are proud inheritors of this legacy. It takes this opportunity to extend my warm greetings for the new year and Pongal to all members and to the people of Tamil Nadu. I wish that this year brings happiness, prosperity and well-being to the people of the state. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin for galvanizing the entire government machinery and effectively managing the second wave of the COVID pandemic by ramping up health infrastructure, ensuring availability of oxygen and essential drugs, and transforming the vaccination drive into the people's movement immediately after assuming office. The government's strategy in successfully containing the second wave without significantly affecting people's livelihood and economy has served as a model for the entire nation. The government has taken extensive measures to increase the coverage of vaccination against COVID. Mega vaccination drives are being conducted on a weekly basis throughout the state. When this government assumed office, the coverage of vaccination was very low, with only 8.09% of the eligible population having been administered the first dose and 2.84% the second dose in just 7 months. Due to the concerned efforts of this government, the vaccination coverage has been increased to 86% for the first dose and 60% for the second dose, with a total of 8.5 crores dose being administered. I request the people of Tamil Nadu to continue to cooperate with the government's efforts to ensure success. In line with the new policy announced by the Honorable Prime Minister on 25th December last year, the state has expanded the vaccination program to cover children in the age group of 15 to 18 years and will provide precaution dose for frontline staff, health workers and vulnerable sections above 60 years of age. Recently, the Omicron variant of coronavirus has been identified and reported in many states of India, including Tamil Nadu. In order to prevent the spread of this variant, the government has strengthened testing and checking protocols at international airports. Based on the experience gained during the second wave, Tamil Nadu was one of the first states in the country in establishing facilities for genome sequencing. Further, the government is augmenting RT-PCR testing facilities, installing oxygen generating PSA plants and increasing ICU beds. The government is fully prepared to tackle the new variant and the challenges it poses. The government is providing rupees 25 lakhs extra gratia to families of frontline workers who lost their lives due to COVID and rupees 5 lakh to children who have lost their parents. Further, the Tamil Nadu government has ordered an ex gratia of rupees 50,000 from the state disaster response fund to the kin of persons who have lost their lives due to COVID. So far, relief has been provided 27,432 families.